Alright, 14 years ago today, as you can see on this tag, this baby got shipped. March 4th, 2004. See that at 4 o'clock? So it's time to open her up. This is the big boy. Ford Digital. Try to pull it out a little bit. This is quite the box, so you know. Unboxing here, but a little hard to do. This is a two-handed job over this box. Oh, she nice, so. Oh, yep. So, checkered flying challenge was a good setup. That's why I liked it. That's why I wanted it. Comes with a $70 lap counter and a timer that's used. I mean, people know what these are. Of course, it's got those two cars, which I really like. A lot of details and just a great setup with the overpasses. So $194 new. That was on special. Got those cut, the tags, and here's what she looks like. Track, counter, those are the connectors, I think, and should be more stuff. Spare parts, nice controllers with a detail, manuals, cards, some nice cars. Another bag of parts. Adapter. This is, I think this one's 14.8. High bank corners there, flat tracks there. Here's another bag of parts, brand new. The clips never opened. 14 years old. So, time to set her up. I don't know, I might put it around the outside of this and take down that third lane, or, you know, and see if I can fit it. I'm going to have to try to make it work around this, and then I can run some larger scale stuff. I guess that's it.